Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 12th July 2025, Saturday, Animasam 28th, Vishwasanama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishmardau, Animasam, that is Midhuna Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tidi Dudiyai up to 2:24 a.m., then Tridiyai. Saturday, that is Siravasaram. Today's Nakshatram up to 8 a.m. Uttradam, then Tiruvonam. Today's Rahualam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Yamagandam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Gulegalam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Good time 7 to 8 a.m. then 11 to 12 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Midhuna Rashi Prayachittam Kard